Hello, Ruby and I are going to have a lovely mindful walk in the woods really near my house. For me, I'm going to tune in. I'm going to notice everything, see everything, hear everything, feel everything, smell everything. For Ruby, she's going to smell everything and she's going to have a lovely, sniffy, mindful walk. Oh, let's go. Let's go, Ruby. Go. Come on, let's go. Come on. No, she wants to go home already. No, it's a bit hot here. Come on, this way. This way. It's a bit hot. Come on, Ruby. So these are the woods just at the end of my street. I'll be honest, I live in suburbia, but these ancient woods are at the end of my street, so I'm pretty lucky. But it's been quite a hot day, so it's near the end of the day. So now we're going to walk in the woods because it's a bit cooler as well. And it's lovely. I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear the leaves rustling. It's really nice. So we're going to have a lovely, mindful walk. I'm going to walk and take everything in. I'm going to notice everything, smell everything, feel everything. And Ruby is going to do her doggy thing and basically sniff everything. She's a very sniffy dog. She's a border terrier. Just loves sniffing slowly. It's like ideal for her, isn't it? Come on. And we're going to look out for some signs of autumn. Because I did this walk earlier in the week and I noticed some lovely things. At the time of filming this, it's early August, but already there's some signs. But anyway, I noticed this earlier in the week. Look, there's this ivy. And it looks, I didn't notice it before, they're all kind of in the shape of love hearts. Look, isn't that really cool? Like, really cool. I never really noticed the ivies like that. So it's like, yeah, lovely, cheerful. It's those ones in particular. Isn't that lovely? Come on, Ruby, let's go. But yes, when I was here earlier in the week, I noticed already, you can see like this dry leaves on the ground. It's been very dry, very hot. It's been lovely. I'm not complaining. Quite a good summer already. It's getting ready for autumn. Come on. Come on, you. Uh-oh. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, the light's quite nice this time of the day as well. Late evening. Come on. Okay, she's very slow today. Ruby. Let's go. Let's go. Through here. This way. Come on. More love hearts. Look. See them. Aren't they cool? Right, come on. Yeah. Ah, it's very pretty, isn't it? The light's lovely. Really nice. Let's go. It's very quiet, very peaceful. Come on. Some more love hearts. Once you see it, you kind of can't unsee it. Isn't it lovely? Loads of them. I can hear something. I think it's a wood pigeon hooting. If you were here, because I'm smelling, I can smell barbecues. So like I say, we're close to suburbia, so I can smell not barbecues. So that's what I'm taking in. But yeah, look, see here, everything's a bit dying back, a bit brown. Oh, there's a squirrel in there. I don't know if you can see it. I can hear it anyway. Come on. Yeah, dying back there. Nice colours. This is what I noticed earlier in the week. Look, see, it's like it's the blackberries are out already, quite early. Blackberries are out, definitely. Autumn is in the post. There's loads of them. Look, it's pretty cool. There's a squirrel. I don't know if you can see it in the tree. You can hear it. Hiya, mate. Loads. Look at these. Loads of blackberries. Loads on the way. Beside ginormous nettles, it's been such been a funny summer here. Like really dry, but then occasionally with a downpour. So it's kind of like tropical. It's like really high. Everything. I've never seen this wood so high and so kind of, I wouldn't say overgrown, but yeah, very well grown. Very tropical looking, isn't it? So side by side with the autumn hops, we still have this really tall growth. Nice lilac flowers, and they're lovely. See, I'm taking in the sights and the sounds and the smells. Ruby's just sniffing and looking around. Seventh Heaven loves it, don't you? Yes. Oh, you can hear some hooting birds. The ground's really crunchy, really dry. But yeah, it's so nice to walk Ruby in the woods here because it's just much cooler. If I didn't have the woods, I'd probably wait another hour or two, but it's lovely and much cooler with the foliage. It's funny. Nature's funny. Yes, come on. Yeah, these woods were shut down last year for about a year. They had ash dieback, so they spent quite a bit of time, you can see, cutting down trees, and they redid all the paths, and it's lovely. But I missed it. I missed it. I was like, oh, where's my lovely woods? But they're back again. Come on. Yeah. Oops. There's part of her lead gone. Hang on. There we go. Yeah, the light's lovely. Yeah, and over here, these strike me. I should know what they are, but these are very autumnal as well. Come on, Ruby, over here. I kind of like berry things. Yeah, I don't know what they are, but they're always, when I see them round up again, August time, it's like, yeah, autumn's in the post, you can see them. So they're out as well. Normally, actually, the mushrooms aren't far off. Well, probably because it's so dry, there's no mushrooms, but you'd normally be seeing them as well. So no mushrooms yet. More love hearts. Slightly obsessed with love hearts. Could be worse. It's a nice woods. Some kid, there's lots of little places for kids to play and stuff. They're well used, these woods, which is great. Kids, adults, dogs, you name it. Yeah, I like it's really well maintained. So they've got all the old dead wood to maintain the wood and the beetles and all the nice natural flora and fauna. So it's very well managed, this wood. Lots of volunteers, which is nice. Okay, we're coming to the end. Going back into suburbia, you're probably not so interested in that. We hope you've enjoyed this mindful walk through the woods. If you're at work, try and get out, go around the block, even just go to the next meeting room, go say hello to your colleague. Change the scene. Change is as good as a rest. Hope you're having a good day. See you in the next video. Ruby says bye. Ruby says, whoops, Ruby. See you in the next video.